Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix brightness not working on Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. When the window opens, look for Display Adapters. Click the arrow to expand it. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to check for updates. After that, go back to the main Device Manager window and expand Monitors. Right-click your monitor and update its driver the same way. If updating the drivers does not fix the issue, we can turn off adaptive brightness. Open the display settings. In the Brightness and Color section, look for the option called Change Brightness based on content. Make sure it is turned off. Sometimes this feature can override the brightness slider. If the brightness is still not working, we can run a system file check. Go to the Start menu and type CMT. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the window opens, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. The scan will check your system files and repair any issues that might be stopping the brightness controls from working. Next, check your power settings. Open the control panel and go to the Hardware and Sound tab. From there, select Power Options. Look at your current power plan. Make sure it is not set to a power-saving plan. Some power plans limit brightness controls to reduce battery use. Switch to a balanced or high-performance plan and test the brightness slider again. Try these steps, and one of them should help you fix the brightness not working on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.